Hello everyone, I'm Lucia Tien. Today I have released Leathercraft CAD version 2.7.0 and this version has a relatively big update, so please watch this video till the end. Okay, so let's get started. So the biggest update with this version is for tracing feature. This tracing feature is quite useful if you want to trace your sketches or past patterns or PDFs or scanned books or whatever. But this one didn't support PDF import with Mac version. Windows users are enjoying these features for a while, but Mac version, no. But Mac users had to convert PDF into PNG images. But if a PDF file contains like 20-30 pages in there, it wasn't quite easy to go proceed. But from this version, now you are able to import multi-page PDF files as well. So let me show you how to do it. So add a trace, click this button, and then choose a PDF file. And this PDF file contains multiple pages, like 10, 20, I don't know. So let's try it. And now you have a preview window. And then you can choose, there are checkboxes here. So you can choose which page in that PDF you want to import. So I want to trace this pattern. So I'm gonna pick this one, and let me see. I'm gonna compare this one as well. So I'm gonna choose this one and this one as well. So yeah, in total 3 pages I checked, and hit this import button, and then now you have 3 pages here. So now you can move these around when you're in tracing mode. And so Mac users were not able to do this at least easily. And the Windows users, you were able to do it, but you had to import all the pages. Like there were like 14 or 15 pages in that PDF. So all the pages appeared here, but now you have only a few pages that you are interested. So it's going to be much easier to work with PDF patterns compared to before. And it also has several minor updates, like if you want to rotate this background image, previous version rotated, so you can rotate from here. So I'm spinning the mouse wheel on this box, and it rotates. But previous version, rotated, around this left top corner. But from this version, it rotates around the center of this image. So it's much easier to work with. So this tracing feature is quite useful. I use this feature quite frequently on Windows in the past, but from now on, I can use Mac for this work. And then PDF documents are not the only ones you can import. I even scanned my hand with my printer scanner and saved it as PDF, and then use that PDF to create a grove. Yeah, you can use it that way as well. And the good thing about PDF is usually the sizing is very accurate compared to JPEG or PNG. Okay, so that was the update for tracing feature. And the next one is very minor, but it could be useful for some people. For example, I have 4 lines with different line types, and currently line number 4 is selected, so this type is selected. But if I want to keep drawing a line using this color, then instead of clicking this line type, I can now quickly click with Control and Alt Control Alt and click, and it changes or it select whatever the shape you clicked with Control and Alt key. Mac users Control and Option key. So this way you can quickly change the line type instead of moving your mouse cursor here. So if you remember this action, your productivity might speed up a little bit. So please try it. Okay, so the next update is about DXF export. So this feature is used to export your patterns to cutting machines or laser cutters, etc. But some of the software didn't like the DXF files generated by Leathercraft CAD because of the little syntax. It's not an error, but something was missing in there. So I added that missing piece, which is a layer table, and now more software accept the DXF files from Leathercraft CAD. As a matter of fact, the 3D CAD that I use most, which is Shaper 3D. Shaper 3D didn't like it, but now Shaper 3D accepts DXF file generated by Leathercraft CAD. So I think it's fixed. So please try it if you had a problem before. But still, I highly recommend using SVG instead of DXF if your software support both format, because SVG is more sophisticated in my opinion. It's more latest. It's human readable in a sense. This DXF is totally human unreadable format, so it's really hard to debug or modify it. But SVG, it's quite simple, so I highly recommend using SVG. I think you have many benefits. I think there are many advantages using this SVG format as an export file compared to DXF. So if you haven't tried SVG, please try it. Okay, the last thing is about the stitching bug. So let's say when you export this to SVG file from here, sometimes stitching holes are missing when you hide this line number 3. So in this case, it's shown here, but stitching holes are disappeared from the SVG file, and I fixed that problem. So now it should be fine. Yep, so I think this is it for today, and I believe this is the last version in 2025. And I really appreciate your support during this year. A lot of people around the world donated to this project. I really appreciate it. And a lot of people gave me feedbacks and bug reports and suggestions, requests. All those supports from users really motivate me to continue this project. So please continue supporting Leathercraft CAD. So please continue supporting Leathercraft CAD in 2026. Okay, this is it for today, and I will see you in the next video in 2026. All right, thank you. Bye bye.